Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson designed to improve your English conversation skills. Today, we're focusing on narrating a story in the present tense. When telling a story in English, using the present tense makes it feel more immediate, exciting, and engaging. In this conversation, Jake and Emma meet up, and Jake tells an exciting story using the present tense. Pay attention to how the verbs stay in the present to create a sense of real-time action. Listen carefully, take notes, and practice telling a story yourself. Let's dive in.
Hey, Jake, you look super excited. What's going on?
Oh, Emma, you won't believe what happens to me yesterday.
Wait. You're switching tenses. Tell me the story in the present tense. Make it feel like it's happening right now.
Oh, right. Okay, here it goes. So I'm walking home from school, just like any other day. The sun is shining, birds are chirping, and I have my headphones on, jamming to my favorite playlist.
Sounds peaceful so far.
It is. But then, out of nowhere, I hear a strange noise behind me. It's this weird, rustling sound, like something is moving in the bushes.
Ooh, that's creepy. What do you do?
At first, I ignore it. I tell myself it's probably just the wind. But then, I hear it again. And this time, it's louder. It sounds like footsteps.
No way. Do you turn around?
Not right away. My heart starts beating faster and I walk a little quicker. But the sound follows me. It's like someone is matching my steps exactly.
Okay, now I'm officially nervous. What happens next?
I finally gather my courage and turn around. But I don't see anything. The street behind me is empty. No people, no cars, nothing. Just a few trees swaying in the wind.
Oh, wow, that's so weird.
I know, right? But here's where it gets even stranger. I keep walking and then I hear a whisper.
A whisper, like someone talking?
Yeah, but it's really faint, like someone is trying not to be heard. I freeze in place, my ears strain to catch the sound. And then I hear my name.
Your name? That's terrifying.
Exactly. Someone whispers, Jake, Jake, but there's no one around.
Nope. I would run for my life.
That's exactly what I do. I take off running, full speed. My backpack is bouncing, my breath is short, and my heart is racing.
Do you look back?
Nope, I don't dare. I just keep running until I reach my house. I unlock the door as fast as I can, slam it shut, and lean against it, panting.
Oh my gosh. Then what?
I stand there for a moment, trying to catch my breath. My heart is pounding in my chest. And then I hear a knock on the door.
No way. That's straight out of a horror movie.
I know. My hands are shaking, but I slowly reach for the doorknob. I hesitate. Should I open it? Should I pretend I'm not home?
Don't open it. What if it's the ghost of a lost traveler or something?
That's exactly what I'm thinking. But then I hear a voice.
What does it say?
It's a kid's voice. It says, Jake, open up.
Wait, a kid?
Yep, and guess who it is?
I have no idea. Who?
It's my little brother. He's standing there laughing his head off.
Wait, what? He was behind you the whole time?
Yep. Apparently, he thinks it's hilarious to sneak up on me and whisper my name to freak me out.
I can't believe this. He really got you.
Oh, he did. I was terrified. But the moment I see him laughing, I grab a pillow from the couch and throw it at him.
That is so funny. He deserves that.
I know, right? He's still laughing, so I chase him around the house, yelling that I'm going to get revenge.
And then,
Then my mom walks in, sees us running like maniacs, and tells us both to calm down.
classic. So, what do you do?
I tell my mom everything. And guess what? She just laughs and says, "That's what brothers do."
That is the perfect ending to this crazy story.
I know, but I still owe my brother for that one. I'm already planning my revenge.
Oh no, this is going to turn into a prank war, isn't it?
You bet it is.
I need to hear about whatever you do next. Make sure you tell me.
Oh, I will. And next time, I'm going to make sure my prank is even better.
I have a feeling your brother is already planning his next move too. Be careful.
I'll be ready. This isn't over yet.
Great job, everyone. This conversation was a perfect example of how to narrate a story using the present tense. Using the present tense makes the story feel more immediate, engaging, and real. Now, it's your turn. Try telling a personal story using the present tense and practice with a friend. You can talk about a fun, scary, or exciting experience. Just make sure to keep the verbs in the present tense. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.